of us, life is precious, isn't it? Where do you want to invest this life? Into what? Know that life is short and unpredictable, and everything you were stressing about will likely not matter at the end. Just let it go. Ask yourself, how do you want to be remembered? Ask how much do you value yourself? Well, when it comes to making a choice, your value determines the option you go for. Values have a moral interpretations of how we do things. Values, when put to work, make up for a good life. In today's video, I'm gonna share 10 little things to acknowledge for in this life. Point number 1. Feed your mind with something positive and powerful. However you do it doesn't matter. Be it books, audio, videos, mentors. It doesn't matter. How it only matters what you do with. The books you read, the movies you watch, the music you listen, the people you spend time with, the conversation you engage in is what shapes you as a person. So choose wisely what to feed your mind. There's a saying, if you don't remove the weeds in your garden, sooner or later they'll take over your roses. You only lose your way by getting caught up in the negative. Point number 2. Approach and engage procrastination and distractions to overcome them. There is a saying by Abraham Lincoln, things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. Figure out the reason why you haven't started yet. Are you scared? Are you worried that people will judge you? Whatever it is, just work on fixing them. Change only happens when you change. Fear keeps us from living. There is a beauty behind fear. You're never gonna see it if you're never gonna do it. Once you do it, you will see the world open up with potential. Also, you have a good story to share about. Just change the way you think. Point number 3. Give yourself your undivided action. Give yourself the luxury of having a workspace or area that fits you perfectly, even if it means puzzling a little bit. This is your space, your creative zone. Turn off all the distraction, keep yourself uninterrupted, remove the temptation. Point number 4. Acknowledge that failure is a regular stop on the roadmap to success. Things do go wrong. Failure shows what will and won't work and allows space for thinking. Thomas Edison put it perfectly. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. See the gift in every problem. Improve and learn the important lessons. Focus on what you can control, not on what you can't. The question is, what can I clear about myself next? Your only benchmark is yourself. Point number 5. Smile. A cheerful attitude is not only relaxing, it creates good relation, and there is so much to smile about. It's good to recognize the things that aren't so great, but we should never forget what a privilege it is to be here and now in a world full of possibilities. Point number 6. Expect the best. If you expect to fail, you fail. If you expect to win, you win. Life gives you back what you put in. Start focusing on positivity. Start focusing on how things can go right. Keep life sweet by harnessing the positive. Point number 7. Treat yourself with respect. It's funny that many of us seek respect from others, yet we don't even respect ourselves. Everything starts with and how you feel about yourself. Start feeling valuable and deserving. There will always be someone who can't see your worth. Don't let it be you. Point number 8. Prioritize, itemize, diarize. When you are clear about your purpose and your priorities, you can painlessly discard whatever doesn't support this, whether it's clutter in your cabinets or commitments on your calendar. It's nice to stand out from the crowd, but it's nicer not to worry what the crowd thinks. These days, it's not often that someone opens you a wide open door. If they do, it's often a scam. Instead, start opening up ways for yourself. Point number 9. Choose your circle. Your environment is split into two parts. It's the actual location, the opportunities provided by the geography, the tools you have within reach, the room you work in, and then there's the other side made by the people around you. Find people who support you. The circle has more value than some of its members. The moment you realize the good vibe, it's super easy to avoid the toxic ones. Your family, your crew, your squad, your tribe, your friends. They can turn things around you if you pick them right. Choose people who choose you. Point number 10. Grow with gratitude. People will forget what you say. People will also forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Appreciation is easy when you have an attitude of gratitude. We spend so much time worrying, complaining, gossiping, comparing, wishing, wanting, and waiting. Life is so fragile, and all it takes a single moment to change everything we take for granted. You were already blessed, everything else is bonus. There is a reward on the other side of the challenge. Just be thankful. Gratitude helps you to see what's there instead of what isn't. I hope you find this video useful and inspiring, and this piece will provide you a stepping stone in right direction. As for a bonus for sitting around all the way till the end, you are getting an extra point. The bonus point, be kind. When a bird is alive, it ends. When the bird has died, ends eating. One tree can be made into million matchsticks, but only one matchstick is needed to burn million trees. Circumstances can change at any time. You may be powerful today, but time is more powerful than you. Call it karma, call it the universe, call it law of attraction, call it whatever you want to. But every time we give to someone else, it came back tenfold. So just be kind.